Hey there guys, and welcome to my channel ZTV Education and Exams. Today I'm going to be reviewing Lakshya IAS Academy. I'm going to be reviewing the Pune branch, and to review this academy I'm going to be visiting a website called blog.education. That is because blog.education is a very trusted website. They've been around for 11 years. They are one of the oldest websites to give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they give you consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial, and Sulekha so that you don't have to go and visit all of those different websites and spend hours researching the right institute that caters to your needs. Blog.education does that for you. Lakshya IAS Academy is a very popular IAS academy. They have been around for a decade and they were established, and this institute was established with a mission uh, that students from Maharashtra should lead the list of successful candidates in UPSC examination and join administrative services. Lakshya IAS Academy was founded in 2002 and since then they have been like very popular because they have amazing results and the outcome for the past 3 years was amazing. Around 60 to 70 students from Maharashtra stood in the merit list for the past 3 years successively, and they have acquired the third or fourth ranking with regard to the number of students in the UPSC merit list. Our education, after doing a lot of research, has given the Pune branch an overall rating of 4.7 out of 10. This is a very average rating. Our education has also rated this institute on different parameters like their past year results, infrastructure, batch size, their faculty quality, and their fees. Some of the pros of this institute are that they have very good past year results. They have a very good batch size, not a very large, but in fact a very average batch size. And the best part is that you can pay fees in installments. Also, they have very experienced faculty members. Some of the cons are that the infrastructure is not good. If you join this institute, you can approximately be prepared to pay around 55,000 for a 1-year course. Now this is very affordable considering how popular Lakshya Academy is amongst IAS students. Many top institutes charge 1.5 to 2 lakhs, and this is very affordable. Obviously, you will have to pay extra if you choose for optional subjects, but even then it is quite affordable. According to Google reviews, a student who studied here is saying that this is the best institute to prepare for MPSC and UPSC examinations, and the experience is of the faculty members is really good, and they have very good library facilities, and also the lectures are also very good over here. So this was a very good review. Another review, this is a bad review. So a student who studied here is saying that they are not satisfied with the Pune branch because the faculty members could be better, and especially for MPSC, the faculty members are not that good. These are the contact details of Lakshya IAS Academy. This is their address, their contact number. Their batch size is just 30 to 40 students in one batch. Now this is a really good batch size. This is actually quite an optimal batch size. If you are someone who wants personalized attention from the teachers and you're a slow learner, then definitely this is a good batch size. And also many top institutes have batch sizes of like 300 to 400 students, so this is very good compared to that. Also, they offer you 2 to 3 demo classes. This is their website, their fee structure. You can pay it in 3 installments, and no other academy that I have reviewed before has this facility of paying in installments. Apart from being so affordable, they also have this feature. They have very good Google reviews and ratings. On this page, you can also find that frequently asked questions will be answered. So how is the study material of Lakshya IAS Academy? So they provide their own study material to students. They also provide you with regular class notes for MPSC coaching. They provide you with weekly current affairs, and they also provide test series for MPSC students. Students can actually make use of their study materials for their final exams as well. The best MPSC coaching institutes in Pune are as follows. As you can see here, Lakshya IAS Academy does not come under the 10 best institutes. I hope this review was helpful to you all. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.